संस्कृति विश्वविद्यालय के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो जहाँ एक तरफ विज्ञान, कला, साहित्य की शिक्षा ले रहे हैं, वहीं दूसरी तरफ संस्कारों को भी ग्रहण कर रहे हैं।
You all know that the university was established in the year 2016. We have completed the journey of 7 years in the pursuit of knowledge and training the students. The university has 15 schools and over 7,000 students in different schools, and the students have secured very high positions in reputed international and national organizations after completing their degree program.